going to teach you how to make oat milk with rolled oats and other simple ingredients you can find around your kitchen. So let's get started. So first we have to start rinsing our oats with cold water. Make sure it's very cold. We have 1 cup of oats and we rinse that. We'll start pouring 1 cup of oats. And Elijah is going to start rinsing it with cold water. Now, we're rinsing it to get off all the starch. Yes. You can see all the white stuff coming out with the water. So we're gonna let this drain and we'll prepare the other ingredients for this recipe. Hi, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new here, make sure to go on over to join our free email list at berkeleychefs.com/join the list. You will receive notifications, deals, and coupons, and you'll also be the first ones to know when the video comes out. So go on over to berkeleychefs.com/join the list and join our free email list. Now let's go back to the video.
We're back with our ingredients, the vanilla and maple syrup. I'm gonna let him pour while I'll tell you guys a little bit more about our ingredients. So,
Oh, very strong. Smell it.
oh boy, that's great. Yes. So, we're using vanilla powder because we like the vanilla powder for our recipe, but you can use vanilla extract. We're adding maple syrup because we like a little maple syrup for a little sweetener, but you don't need to if you don't like to.
Yes, you don't need to, but it's optional. So we're gonna put about 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Yes, you may adjust to your desires at the amount of maple syrup you'd like or sweet.
Okay, we're gonna put this to a side. And then we're gonna start putting everything into the blender. I'm gonna hand this over to Elisha
To pour in the ingredients to our blender. Let's start off with our oats.
1 cup of oats. Make sure that you
Rinse it well.
That's right. Pour our maple syrup. Yes.
And our vanilla and salt.
Ooh, that's nice. Smelling good already.
Now we're going to put
Cold water.
Yes.
Again, cold water.
because that will help your milk to be not slimy, because oat milk is enjoyable when it's not slimy.
And when it's sweet too. Unless you like unsweetened oat milk. Now you might be wondering where to get the recipe, the ingredients and the measurements. You can go on over to berkeleychefs.com/how-to-make-oat milk. The link will be in the description or the comments
Below this video.
We're gonna blend it. And you do not want to blend it for over 30 seconds because the heat will make it slimy.
Yes, remember, heat does not depend in making oat milk.
That's right. Now we're gonna
Unless
blend
you want slimy oat milk.
So we're gonna blend, but first let us put 25 seconds on the clock. Stop. Ooh, nice!
Awesome.
We're gonna pour our oat milk
Into the
strainer.
You're gonna want to strain it twice if your nut milk bag is not good at straining that well.
And we don't want to press too hard. Just want to let it flow.
Here's your
Cup, yes.
very nice cup. And I'll pour us out some oat milk.
For me. Okay, so we're gonna taste our homemade oat milk. Really good.
Yes.
Yeah. It's creamy, nutritious. Oh yes, nutritious. Let me see here. It's creamy, nutritious, smackalicious, tasty, delicious, scrumptious, and it's awesome.
Yes. I can even taste the oats, which is awesome.
And the vanilla.
Yes.
This is really good. Thank you for taking your time for watching this video. We appreciate it a lot. And we hope you guys learned something
new.
How to make delicious oat milk. And we'll see you in another video next time. Bye!